let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, 2310, sum of numbers with units digit k. So for this example, we have to understand what is going to be the units digit. So yeah, from the beginning I don't understand. So we are giving two numbers, num and k. So num is 58, k equal to 9, and we're going to consider a set of positive integers with the following properties. So the first property is that the unit digit of each integer is k. So what is the unit digit? So from the note, it is here. So the unit digit of a number is the rightmost digit of the number. So now I understand what is the unit digit. So for example, this is 58, and the unit digit gonna be 8. Yeah. And for us, we just want to find some numbers with the unit digit k. Yeah. So for example, we can find a number 9, another number maybe 49. So there are gonna be minimum two numbers. It's gonna be 58 because 9 plus 49 is gonna be 58. Or maybe we're gonna try maybe another one. Maybe let's just try, yeah, try another one. Maybe 19 with 38. This is another one, but we're gonna return a 2. Yeah, let me just remove this 8. Actually, it's gonna be 39. Yeah, or maybe we can find 29, and another one gonna be 29. So this is also possible, right? Yeah. So all of them are possible, but the minimum is gonna be 2. Yeah. So for this problem, actually, this is gonna be a mathematical problem. It doesn't matter how big this number is. So maybe this number is like 5, 8, 8. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe 8. Yeah. Maybe this number is too big, like 5888. And how many numbers with unit digit 9? And with this unit digit 9? Of course, there will be two numbers. Why it will be two numbers? Because definitely we can find 1 9. So this is just one number. Another number, so the unit digit gonna be 9. And then we're gonna use it to construct the number. So this is 18. Yeah. So this number minus 18 is gonna be 5, 8, 7, 9. Yeah. So this means 5, 8, 7, 9 plus 9 is gonna be 5, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. So it means it doesn't matter how big this number is. What matters is what is the unit digit of the number. It is 8. And what matters is this number k. So that only matters. So this means we can solve this problem by using the brute force of mathematics. We just try to check how many k's we need. And maybe we need 1k or 2k, but at most we're gonna need 10 k's because 10 of 9 can become 0. So what if the unit digit of this number is 0? So it means we're gonna need 10 k's. But what about 11 k's? It doesn't matter. Yeah, because 10 k's is enough for us to solve the problem. If 11 k's, it's gonna be the unit digit gonna be 9. So 11 digit is similar like 1 digit because for 1 digit it is also 9. Yeah. Now we're gonna solve this problem according to this kind of yeah, I think it's similar like the primary mathematical problem, but this is gonna be a very high level of mathematical problem. I mean, the level gonna be really difficult of the mathematical problem. So normally you need to analyze a little bit, and then you might find how to solve it. Yeah. So the base case is that we're gonna check nums. If num equal to 0, basically we don't need to do anything. We're gonna return 0. So for example, this is 0, k equal to 7. Definitely, we cannot find any number. So this means we're gonna return 0. So if k equal to 0, this is also okay. So we can use a 0. So 0 plus 0 is gonna be 0. So if num equal to 0, definitely it's gonna be a 0. Now we're gonna use enumerator to check the I. So from 1 to 11. So because we just need to try 10 numbers, because if we use 10 numbers, it can combine all the possible cases. Yeah. Now we're gonna use check. So if num minus I times k is less than 0, so not less than 0, more than 0. So if this is more than 0, what's gonna happen? Yeah, so for example, we have number 2, so num equal to 2. Yeah, so this is a num. So num equal to 2 and k equal to 9. So is this possible? No, it is not possible because 2 is too small. Yeah. So this is for num. If num minus I times k, if it is less than 0. Yeah. So if it is less than 0, basically it means not possible. So we're gonna return a -1. Now we're gonna check if num minus I times k, if it is more than 0 and if it is modulo 10 equal to 0. So this means we're gonna return I. So I means how many numbers. So if I equal to 1, it means just one number. If I equal to 2, so it is in the second case, because 2 times 9 is gonna be 18. So 18 it is okay, because if we find 18, the unit digit, if we find 18, the unit digit is 8. It means we've already solved the problem. So that is why we're gonna return I. But what if we didn't find? We're gonna still return a -1, because in this example, even num is 37 and k equal to 2, but because k is a even number and the num is odd number, the even number can never become an odd number, because 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus any 2, it can never become 37, because 37 is an odd number and k is just an even number. Yeah. Now let me just run it to check. Now as you can see, it works. Now let me submit it to prove that it can pass for testing cases. Now as you can see, it's pretty fast and it passes for all testing cases, and the time complexity is just O10, because here is 10 and O10 is similar like O1, so the time complexity is going to be O1. Thank you for watching. See you next time.